Good morning, afternoon, or evening. My name is Ben, and this is the last GameMaker tutorial in the Floppy Cat series. And today we're going to be doing the sound effects for the game. So here's a couple tips for you. First of all, pause this video, and you can Google Kevin MacLeod. And I was just at some other place that I downloaded some royalty-free. Yes, royalty-free sound effects, free download. Soundj.com. So look up Kevin MacLeod. Kevin MacLeod, right there. He does royalty-free music. He's awesome. Read his license, whatever, but he usually lets you use music in your games. And then Soundj. I was using Soundj for some of the sound effects. Read their license as well. You're not allowed to post the sounds for a download, so I can't give you the download link for these sounds, but you can go to the website and find sounds there and download them. So pause your video, go look at those, and you should be able to get the sounds that I already have for this game, or find some of your own sounds. You can find some that you like, maybe they'll be better than mine. So first thing we're going to do is add a new sound, and we're going to call this sound. Let's call this one sound up. We'll load a sound, and I'm trying to remember, it's in my downloads. I think I used 14, this one right here. Yeah. So you guys can probably hear that I have my sound on because I want you to be able to hear them. It won't sound super great, I'm sure, but sound die. Let me load a sound, and this one will be this one right here. Okay, and we'll load one more sound. Let's see. Sound background. And this will be our background music. And this song is not by Kevin MacLeod, actually. This song is by Dallin Anderson. And it's just kind of one of his goof off sounds, but I thought I'd throw it in here. So it's pretty cool. Okay, now we're going to create an object. And we'll call this object music, I guess. And we're not going to give it anything, but we are going to make this object persistent. Now what that means is you can put this object in one room and it will stay in every single room that you have in the game. So it can be like an overlord type object that goes into every room, even if you only put it into one. So it's really useful. We're going to add an event, a create event, and inside of this event we're going to call some code, and we're going to do sound loop, and then just put sound background. So that should loop our background music for the entire game. So make sure you have a good one that can loop well and doesn't sound annoying. Mine actually sounds kind of annoying, so I wouldn't recommend using this one. Not that the music is annoying, but that this one doesn't loop well for this type of game. So let's do a object music, and I'm going to put it in the menu. You can just put it anywhere in your room. Now what we're going to do is every time we click, we want it to play a sound as well, our up sound. There's something crucial you need to do though. So first of all, let's play it. Sound, play, and then sound up. Okay, that plays the song. But here's the problem. If you try and click while the sound is still playing, then it won't play the sound because the sound's already playing. So what you want to do is do sound stop right before this. That way, if the sound is already playing, then you're going to stop it and start the new one. And just trust me on this one, that'll sound better. And you can copy these, and we're going to go into our game over script. And right before we restart the game, we're going to play our die sound. And save that. Now you can see when we run the game, our music should play and our sound effects will work as well. So let's see. It's kind of obnoxious, but I guess the whole game itself is obnoxious, so. Actually, this song doesn't look too bad here. It's actually kind of cool. Okay. Anyways, So there you go. I'll leave a link to my brother's song, and I'll leave a link to those two websites where I found the sound effects and stuff. So you guys can look, find the stuff that you want. That's going to be great. One more thing I want to show you guys before I end this video is that in GameMaker you can create what's called an executable. You just come up here and you do create executable. It's file create executable. In the Windows version, I'm pretty sure it's similar. You'll just want to make sure it's an exe file, and you can share the game with all your friends. They can download it. You can put it on the internet, whatever. Enter it in the Floppy Jam. I almost called it the Floppy Jam. So make sure and like this video. This is the last one in this tutorial series. We finished this game. Congratulations, you finished your very first game, or maybe you've built another one, but if not, then awesome, because this is your first one. So I will see you guys next week, because I'm not going to be recording a video tomorrow, but I'll record one here in 2 days, and I've got some cool stuff planned for next week. So I'll talk